There's no doubt that massages feel amazing. Everyone deserves a little me time. Relaxation is an essential component of every aspect of our health. Women, especially, need to focus on relaxation for therapeutic purposes. Women have unique health concerns that require special attention, whether it be unexplained pelvic pain, postpartum depression, unwanted baby weight, or hormonal fluctuations from menopause. At every stage of life, women face unique challenges, so must take extra time for self-care and enhanced wellness. And it's not just physical ailments women need to look out for. With such societal pressure on women, it is crucial that mental well-being is also nurtured. If there was a way to dial down stress, tension, and even PMS symptoms all at once, who wouldn't jump right on that opportunity? The good news is you can. And it's not a pill or a gimmick, the answer is massage therapy. Yes, in today's video, we are going to show you the surprising benefits of massage therapy for women. Before starting our video, if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe now and press the bell icon for updates. Combat stress and anxiety. It's not just the ocean sounds and delicious smelling oils that immediately take you to a stress-free space. Massages have been found to increase blood flow to areas of the brain associated with mood and stress regulation. A study showed that after a treatment, people's levels of the stress hormone cortisol dropped by 31%, while happy hormones like serotonin and dopamine were boosted by 30%. Improve posture and realign body imbalances. Massage can help loosen tight muscles that may be locked into painful positions, and it also encourages the body to find better posture. Massage can relax and loosen the muscles that may be made sore by poor postures. Massage allows your body to position itself in its natural and pain-free posture. Eases muscle pain. If your muscles are sore from exercise or sports injury, massage therapy can reduce muscle pain by increasing and improving your circulation. Increased circulation aids in the regeneration of muscle function and can not only help with muscle soreness but also prevent future injury. An Australian study shares, finding that just a 10 minutes massage after exercise can reduce ongoing soreness by 30%. Boost the immune system. Research has found that regular rub-downs can give your immune system a helping hand by increasing the productivity of disease-fighting white blood cells. Enhances flexibility. Massage could also enhance flexibility as well as a range of motion in a variety of ways. It could also loose and relax the tight muscle by breaking up the bond that could form on the ligaments and tendons around joints. Skin refresh. The slight friction of your massage therapist's hands along with the massage lotion and oil causes gentle exfoliation, allowing fresh skin cells to emerge. Improves sleep. The calming effects that follow a massage due to increased serotonin and dopamine levels also encourage a night of more peaceful and restful sleep. Whether it's pain, stress or anxiety that keeps you up at night, a massage can alleviate a number of conditions that could be keeping you from having a good night's sleep.